In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task templates in Asana. If you find yourself recreating the same kind of task over and over, like onboarding checklists, content reviews, or weekly routines, turning one into a template will save you time and keep your process consistent. Start by opening Asana and heading to the home view. This gives you a clean starting point and quick access to the rest of your workspace. From the left sidebar, click on My Tasks. This is a straightforward place to build a template because you can keep it within your own list while you refine it, and then use it anywhere you need. Next, pick an existing task you want to standardize and click to open it. Choose a task that already has the structure you like. Maybe it has a clear description, a set of subtasks, or a checklist you've fine-tuned. Opening the task brings up its details where you'll make the duplicate that becomes your template. Look to the top right of the task pane for the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu, and click it. This menu is where you'll find options for the task-specific actions beyond basic editing. Choose Duplicate Task. Asana will open a duplication window that lets you configure exactly what you want carried over. Type a clear, memorable name for your template. A naming convention helps a lot here, something like Template Content Review or Template New Hire Checklist. Using a bracketed tag keeps templates grouped and easy to find later, and it signals to your team that this task is meant to be reused. Under Include, choose what you want to copy into the template. You can bring over the description, subtasks, attachments, and more. For true templates, it's often best to exclude things like assignees and due dates so the template stays neutral. Keep the description and subtasks if they outline your process, and consider leaving comments out to avoid old conversation threads. If you use placeholders, add them right in the description or the subtask names like assign to, role, or due set after kickoff. When everything looks right, click Create New Task. Asana will generate your template task with the options you selected. From now on, when you need to use it, open this template and duplicate it again from the same three dots menu, then assign it, set dates, and drop it into the right project. That's it. Your repeatable process is now a reliable template, ready to speed up your work and keep quality consistent.